Hello everybody, I'm Jhenaidah with The Agency School and I will be your instructor for this course. In this course, there are many lessons where you will learn how to be the owner of your own digital marketing agency. Now, I have been a graphic designer since I was 17, I'm 36 now, and I officially made a business, or an LLC, in 2014. That business is called Zeal Creative Group, and I also have another company called The Hawaii Agency. So I recently moved to Hawaii 5 years ago because there was such a need for digital marketing out here. And since then I've been doing really well. You can actually look at my websites and you can see all my clientele and all the case studies. Now in this course, I'm going to show you how you can work from home, work completely off your computer and on your phone. Now I don't work 40 hours a week. I have a lot of freedom to do a lot of the things that I want, like spend time with my family, go surfing, do tons of other activities, and I'm going to teach you how you can have that same freedom. Now I use a MacBook for all of my work, and I use a Google Pixel 4 phone, but it really doesn't matter what technology you're using. We can still download the same apps. The only thing that is going to be a little bit different are the shortcuts on the keyboard that I will show you. So I'm going to teach you the basics of design, the basics of web development, the basics of developing an app, the basics of search engine marketing, photo, videography. These are all what a creative director takes care of. Now you will be the owner and creative director of your own agency. Not only are you going to be the owner, and you're also going to have a lot of fun doing it. I'm going to teach you the basics of how to run your business. I'm not going to teach you how to pay your taxes. I'm not going to teach you how to be polite. That's a given. You should know how to be able to talk to people in a respectful manner. And I'm also not going to teach you very code-heavy things. I'm going to teach you the core basics of development, design, and everything that has to do with a digital marketing agency. I'm also going to teach you how to start your own hosting service with your digital marketing agency. This is where you will have residual income. So without further ado, everybody, let's go ahead and start this course.